Good morning, guys. That's 8 What's up, you guys? It's Godox Phone. What you guys been up to? Anything for question? Anything to say? Well, today we are gonna do some pretty cool stuff and amazing. Yeah, we're just editing this video. Make sure everything sounds good. Make sure things are good on this video. So that's what's going on. Just making some stuff. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. So talk to you guys when I'm done. She looks happy today.
Yeah.
She's like, I don't know.
Should I? Like she's starting to say mama.
Slowly.
Mama.
Slowly.
Mama.
But surely. What happened? Show me again.
Do you like carrots?
I see it too.
She's trying carrots for the first time.
What do you think, Grace?
Does it taste good? Oh no. Does it taste great? Does it taste good?
Oh yeah, she likes it.
She likes it, you guys. And then she's like, do I like it? Do not. Don't know.
Oh, she likes the smell of this.
Because you met what's pureed. You have to get, we have to get used to the smell. I know it just tastes the same. But it's okay. She likes it, so. Kind of.
Nope.
Do you like it, Grace? She does not know what she likes, if she likes it or not.
You explore.
I'm in cannelloni, shrimp, and some tea biscuits.
It's burnt. It's not really. I should have put the cheese on last. Didn't do it.
That's okay.
But it's okay. It's gonna be good.
It's always good.
It better be.
Because Rachel always makes good meals.
Eh.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. You guys do give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a new video. Goodbye.